Hello, my name is Rokiert. I'm from company Comland, and I would like to share with you our presentation on data collection with Smart Assistant. Before we begin, let's take a look at an overview of today's presentation. So first, I'll make a short introduction to our MightyFields platform, just so you can get a context in which Smart Assistant is used. Next, I will present 3 use cases on how Smart Assistant can help companies with field operations. Then we'll do a simple hands-on demonstration. And at the end, I'll give a short technical overview of how Smart Assistant works under the hood. So let's begin. So Comland is a company that's in the IT industry for 25 years. And our mission is to digitalize and optimize work processes. For that reason, we developed a platform for data collection and task management called MightyFields. This platform enables companies to create their own digital forms with a simple drag and drop form designer, and these forms can be dispatched to field teams based on time and location. So this enables workers to collect all the data from the field digitally. So, as I said, our mission with MightyFields platform is to make field work as simple and efficient as possible. We identified a lot of use cases where hands-free data entering would be easier and in some cases even safer. So this is why we started with the Smart Assistant project in our R&D department. This project was also selected and co-financed by the European Union and Slovenia from the European Regional Development Fund. Okay, now let's take a look at some use cases for Smart Assistant. So the first presented use case is quite obvious. We know that entering long statement on a touchscreen devices can be quite tedious. So when using voice commands can really speed up the process. Another great use of Smart Assistant is to help people with disability to collect data. For example, person with bad eyesight can have a lot of problem entering data on a small mobile device, and can be much easier for that person to use voice commands. So last presented use case is work in dangerous environments. For example, in an environment with high voltage, or work at height, or working with dangerous substances. So all these environments is often not possible or safe to physically interact with the mobile device. So Smart Assistant can not only help workers to be efficient in data collection, but can also improve their safety. Now let's go to a live demonstration. In this demo, I will use our mobile application to open a new case, which is based on a form that was previously designed. Then I will fill the form and close the case in the end. Let's begin. Start new case. Open demo. Select customer. Select type company. Customer name is MightyFields. Get GPS location. Go to Finish tab. Close case. So this is how a field worker can navigate through application, open case, field data, and close case without any physical interaction. Now, to have a better understanding how issued commands are executed, let's take a look at the brief technical overview, how Smart Assistant works. So Assistant is composed of three basic components. First component is an extension on top of MightyFields application. So this extension waits for users' voice commands, and when the command is issued, context of the application screen is collected. So this context is a collection of buttons, links, input fields, and selection elements. All this is done by traversing HTML object model, so in principle, Smart Assistant can be used on any web-based application. So then collected data is sent to Google's speech-to-text service, which only converts captured voice command to text. In the next step, text and context is sent to our voice action recognition service, which based on text and context predicts user action. So if you'd like to know more about this service and how it's implemented, we have an article that describes this in great detail. I will share the link to the article on the last slide. Okay, so the last step only sends predicted action back to the extension, which executes the command. So this is a basic overview of our Smart Assistant solution. I would like to add that the solution is developed in a way that we can extend our Smart Assistant to almost any language. Basically, we are limited by the number of languages that Google's speech-to-text service supports. For now, we have also an implementation for Slovenian language, but we hope we can extend this solution to many more languages as Smart Assistant technology becomes more widely adopted. So this is our presentation. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions or you would like to discuss this topic further, please send me an email, and thank you for your time.